Hallo, is Mr. Colin Scott Mackenzie.
Hamir Lewis is Hamir Furuk Colin Moven, Christina. Christina and I have been married for 54 years. Hoos ik me a Gaelse Gaelic door van me dem jekere ach staat me. Although my mother spoke the language, I grew up in a time where English was the language of the classroom, and wasn't until later in life that I started learning it.
I was Procurator Fiscal in Stornoway and Lochmaddy for something like 30 years. And then I went north to Shetland and Orkney as a sheriff.
I retired in 2002, and after that I worked as a part-time sheriff. Hamidisha nam hieri onorach. Chavimi fein pag son an opasho. Bimi ga yianu son an urub.
Galach me an taisho an Coolwick an den Shaskatan. Bishin a furach gaun ik jirig shachke.
We try and spend as much time in Coolwick as we can. As you can see, we have many trees, 3 to 4 acres, which I have grown over the last 40 years.
A tor kruven etter jalistje an an kulje Coolwick akinja.
I have a keen interest in nature, and we all have a responsibility to look after the planet for future generations.
Hamir son cumulator lis a chanan, agus ha dag zaken, could be me filter gulior agus komisoch a hula dunje hikshin.